Okay, we've just come to this B&W, just had to pick the lock open, and we've got a push button start, and it is a slot. So all key slots, we've got to make a key for this car, or proximity anyhow. Okay, so we've got this B&W started now, and we've just got to let it run for about 15 minutes. Key locks and unlocks, beautiful. Try it both sides. So these are the semi-smart prox remotes. Let's lock the car. Unlock the car. Try it in the boot. Yep, it does. Okay, so the key is actually in the back of the remote. A lot of people don't actually know that. So if you do have a flat battery on the remote, you can pull the key out, unlock the car like that, jump into the car, and then put the remote actually in the slot. Oops. And there we have it, car started. So that's it. Job all done. Just for shits and giggles, we'll just test it again. Press the remote. Key in the ignition. Foot on the brake. And we're all done. So I think this is a 2000, it's an E84 B&W, this one. So, and we're in Brisbane. 0413 120 444 if you need keys made for your B&W. Thanks for watching.